How to go ghost mode on Snapchat. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just open up Snapchat. There you go. And then once you open up Snapchat, what you want to do is to just simply click on map right here in the bottom left corner. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply click on settings. And then here, ghost mode will be enabled right here on my case, but usually Snapchat does this automatically, so I am set on ghost mode right now. So yeah, so just make sure that ghost mode right here is switched on if you want to go ghost mode on Snapchat. So yeah, so you can also turn it off if you want to, and then you can also turn off ghost mode. So you can choose right here on who can see your location. So you can let your friends see your location, or your friends accept specific people, or only these friends. So yeah, so feel free to choose and who you want to share your location to. So yeah, so for example, just click on my friends right there, and after that it will say that share location with all of my friends, and any new friends I add will be able to see my location on their Snap Map. And after that, just simply click on OK. And then there you go, ghost mode is now disabled. So to re-enable it again, what you want to do is to just simply turn it on. There you go. And after that, it will say enable ghost mode. So when enabled, your friends can't see your location. So you can set it for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off. So yeah, so feel free to choose on how long you want to set ghost mode on. So for example, I'll just switch it to until turned off. And then there you go, ghost mode is now back on. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to go ghost mode on Snapchat.